We are on our way to Colorado. It is 3:37 and we're going to Colorado. First stop is Buc-ee's. We live right across the street from it, so we don't have to go far to stop at a Buc-ee's, right? Are y'all ready?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You ready, papas? Okay.
Hey, yo, what's up? You ready to head out to Colorado?
You ready to drive?
I guess so. Who else?
They're already asleep.
There goes little Mia, goes little Gigi, and little JJ.
All right, let's go. What time is it? 3:45. All right, driver, where are we?
Childress, Texas, home of the world's famous tea.
No, it's not.
That's what the thing said, okay?
Oh.
By the way,
Look
we're
at this fog. Oh, sorry.
by the way, the first leg of the trip is done. The rest is cake. Like
We
cake.
have how much? 6 hours, 39. But this fog though, horrible. Hi.
Hi.
Say hi, Papa. Hi. What are you eating? Pringles and water? Ava, show me what you're eating. Show me. The girls already woke up from their cat nap. Joaquin has not napped. He's been up since 3 in the morning and he has not went back to sleep. Say bye.
Bye.
All right, let's keep going. We just entered New Mexico. Are you asleep yet?
A little bit.
Mia, we're in New Mexico. We just entered New Mexico. We have 3 hours. Oh, it did change. Yep. 12:17 changed to 11:17. Yeah, the time changed to 11. So
Went from Central Time to
yeah,
Mountain Time.
yeah. So it's 11:17. So we'll be an hour back. Yeah. Papa Bear's awake now with the hot Cheetos. Hi. Gigi, what are you eating, Bubba? Rice Krispie? Yum. Comete algo. Here, baby. We have an hour left. Here's the room. Vanity. Hi, Papas. Hi, Gigi. Cute Christmas tree.
Excuse me, what is it you are doing? Art has a gallery and it seems like you know that.
Luca, I am so sorry. I was just so inspired that I got carried away. I am so honored to have my work.
The views from our balcony. It does not get any better than this. Hi.
Hi.
Say good morning. Say hi, Papa. Say hi.
Say hi, Lucky.
Hi. Good job. You having fun?
Oh, I'm having a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Yes.
Is it pretty
Yes.
out here?
Yes.
Hi, Papa.
And from our room, it's so cool.
Yep. Really? What else? Yeah. Okay, say bye, guys.
Bye.
What are you doing?
I'm eating my cookie and watching TV.
Wow. What do you think so far?
Good. It's really pretty and we have a really good view.
Really good view?
Yeah.
I agree. Look, girls.
What?
Say hi.
Hi.
We're on our way to, what is it called? Canyon
City.
Canyon City.
We're gonna go on a train ride. Yeah. And Santa's gonna come on. Yeah.
We're gonna do the Royal Gorge Railroad route. Train ride. Yeah, same thing. But yep, today is our first full day in Colorado, right?
Yes.
We got here yesterday. So yeah, look, Joaquin, say hi. Okay, no, he don't want to say hi.
You said y'all full of it.
Huh?
You said y'all full of it.
What is it?
There's just a house in the middle.
Yeah, there's houses. That's what me and Pepe were saying. They have like really good views. All right, say see you at the train ride.
See you on the train ride.
Bye. Hi.
Hi.
What, baby? Oh, that's Gigi.
Yeah, it's
Look, he's showing a picture of you, Gigi.
and me and my swimsuit.
Who is that?
Who's that?
Look.
What? Hi.
Look, Joaquin. Say hi. We're here.
We're going on the train ride. Yeah.
The train is right over there. But it's not our turn yet.
Nope.
We just had to get here early to check in and get our tickets.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yes. It's gonna be so much fun. We get to go through the mountains.
Hmm?
We get to go through the mountains.
Yes, we do.
It's probably gonna be really, really fun.
You ready?
Yes.
The train ride?
Yes.
Keep going. We're on gate number 5.
Yeah. 3 or 4. Oh, where are you?
Run, Papa. Go with Sissy. Run, run, run. So yeah, right there. This line, girls. This is our line, okay? Come here, Papa.
You see the tic-tac-toe box in the hotel?
The what?
The tic-tac-toe box in the hotel.
Is that what the little brown box that was here? Oh, I didn't see it. I didn't even
You
open
do
it.
that ring over there? See that?
That was what
You see yourself? Say hi, guys. Say hi. Can you say hi?
Hi, we're on the train.
You're eating first?
Yeah.
What'd you get?
I got the chicken tenders with a side of lettuce and some potatoes.
Nice. Is it yummy?
Yeah.
What'd you get me? Same thing?
I got chicken tenders, lettuce, and potatoes. Let me stop it.
We're the only food that has a Mexican American
There's people camping?
Yeah, I would. But what is the ranger toxin?
A what? A reindeer?
Yeah. Not a reindeer, I mean a deer. It's a deer pops into the tent at night. Yeah, but it's I'm
at the narrowest part, and so they came up with the idea to suspend the train tracks from either side of the gorge using a riveted metal A-frame. Once we come around this corner, you'll see it. We're going to be passing over it, and when we pass over it, we are 50% suspended over the river, 50% on land. You'll feel the train rock a little bit, which is totally normal. But when they originally built this structure, which is called the Hanging Bridge in your Signal magazine, it was 90% suspended over the river and 10% suspended over the land. They recently rebuilt it to 50-50. Wow.
Look at the bridge, man.
Whoa. That's so tall.
Ooh.
It's longer than the gondola. Me, like my hair.
For real, I did that.
Yeah, this is. Is it called rocks under? No, she said it would be rocky a little bit.
Yeah. What'd you say?
She said that it would be a little bit rocky.
What'd you say, Gigi?
She said that it's gonna be rocked a little bit.
What'd you say now?
Train might rock.
It may rock a little. Yeah, Gigi. Where are we?
We're on the back of the train.
Ooh.
We're in Manitou Springs. The girls are gonna go shop in here. Oh, those are cute. Those are cute. You want me to hold my water bottle? Go, you go look over there. No, those are matchboxes. Like for, like to start a fire. Careful, Gigi. Alright, let's go. Oh, careful. Yeah, hold on.
Mama, can you hold our bags?
So what does it look? Healing water. Mineral spring water.
Mom, can you hold our bags?
Yeah.
Can I fill it up? Yes.
Yeah, go ahead. Drinking water. A little bit more. Okay, go ahead and close it. So it says, for centuries, native peoples, rivers, and they use the mineral water to calm stomachs, soothe skin problems, and as a tonic for other ailments. Each spring has different amounts of mineral content and natural carbonation and was prescribed by doctors for ailments such as liver and kidney disease and digestive orders. Does it taste weird? How does it taste?
A little bit weird.
Does it?
Yeah, try it.
Let me see.
It tastes like salt leaves.
Alright.
A little.
Oh my god.
How is that constant?
I don't know. Alright. Well, we got that off our list.
Yeah, we got that.
Ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah, that one.
We're on our way. Where are we going, girls?
The Garden of the Gods trail. Yeah.
We're going to Garden of the Gods. Say hi, Papa. Say hi. He waved.
Sorry, breakfast of champions right here.
We gotta have the Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola, if you're watching this, sponsor him.
Hey, you'll make a lot of money with me.
All right, y'all excited?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye. Oh, you got this slinky on your foot? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, you need help?
GG, the Gardens of the Gods.
Careful.
No, all their trucks have a G and a G, Garden of the Gods.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and they also have like there's a where this was at. It was little. It was very tiny.
Mm-hmm.
But they had hats that said GG, which would have been nice for.
For Gigi.
But yeah.
Yeah.
But it stands for Garden of the Gods.
Yeah. All right, here's the views.
Yeah.
Man, look at that house right here.
Is it a house?
Yeah.
The house?
Yeah.
Well, yeah, they're houses.
Look.
Whoa.
Move here or what?
No.
Shoot, in a heartbeat. Look, with that view, heck yeah. Look, you can take pictures here too.
Oh, yeah.
On the way back. Oh, look, they're taking the prom pictures.
That's cute.
Oh, there's like benches and stuff where you can sit too and just watch on the way back. She said take a left, and then when you get to the light, take a left again.
Okay.
And then like it'll take you right to it.
All right. Well, then let's go. Hi, baby. Hi.
Puppy. Look, there's handfuls.
Sure. Entrance this way.
Not G-I-G-I, it's Like a G and a
Say hi. Come on, baby. Follow puppy. Go. Okay, look. Look at the stickers here. Look at this one. That's fire. It says that's fire. This one's $3.99 compared to the one you got. I want this one for your cooler.
Yeah, I like it.
I mean, there's more, but look at this one. Feed me and tell me I'm pretty.
Why would somebody tell me that?
Which one? Which one? What? That's not a ball. That's a mug. Feeling good like I should. Do cool shit.
Run for your Yeti. Look at turtle earrings.
You wanna go look, Papa? Look. Say hi. What do you wanna get? Did you see the deer? Where is it? Where's the deer? Look, there's a deer up there. Look, you see it? Look. Look at the shirts. You wanna look at the shirts? Go look at the shirts. What shirt do you want? Look at that one. Look, this one has a bear. Look at that one. Look. For Mia and Gigi. Whoa. Yeah, go look. You wanna go look? This one's so cute. I like this one. Look. Huh? Yeah. Puppies? What are they? Oh, look at the hats. Did you see the hats? Hey, did you see the hats? Look at the magnets. What? Look, Joaquin. Look. Look, baby. It's a puppy.
A pup.
Yeah, you wanna go show puppy? Go find puppy and show him. You want the puppy or no? Which one? Go. Let's go find puppy. Where is he? Go. You want the puppy? Go show puppy. Go show Mia and Gigi. Mexican flora? Mexican flora?
Look.
That's so pretty. Can we look at the gold one?
These are so.
Look at that. These are so pretty.
What is fool's gold?
I love this one right here. That's so cute. He has a rook. He has a rook.
Look at this. These are called
Desert rose. These are so cute.
Mommy, look at these.
I know.
They're so pretty.
Huh? Whoa.
Mommy. These are so nice. Just stay on the edge. Wait!
Yeah. We're gonna go through the edge of this car.
So be
Go.
very careful. Do you not hit it or do you
Crocs are probably not the best shoes to have on right now, but it is what it is. Hold on, wait right here.
What? Yeah, I think Crocs are.
Hi! Hi, you ready? Yeah, you excited? Yeah, baby. All right, let's go look.
Hi.
What did?
Yeah,
How's the climb?
good.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, go. Ready? It's easy.
You ready to have lunch?
Yeah.
Ready to have lunch?
Yes, are you?
We're gonna try out a place called Trainwreck. So,
And there's a train that's never ending. Mama. Yeah.
yeah. All right, let's get off.
It's never gonna end until night. Hi. Look at our straws. And we got our favorite colors.
Oh yeah, y'all did. Like, coincidentally. What, baby? Hi.
Hi. We're on our way back home.
We're going home now. We're gonna miss Colorado, but we'll be back, right?
Yeah.
When? When?
December again.
Next December? That's a long time.
No. Wait. March.
March will probably be really cold.
Yeah.
Oh, my ears just popped.
Same.
Yours did too?
Yes. I don't think puppies ever pop.
Do your ears ever pop?
No. At all.
Let's see. We are still in Colorado, right? What's next?
New Mexico.
Oh, okay. And then
Texas.
all right, well, we're heading home. Say bye, Colorado.
Bye, Colorado.
See you next time.
See you next time.
Hasta la vista, baby.
Good night.